In the latest coronavirus news, cases are rising here in the Commonwealth. The number of counties in Virginia with moderate community transmission has nearly doubled in the past week. The latest map from the CDC shows Montgomery, Bedford, Highland, and Halifax counties now have medium levels. The levels are determined by looking at hospital admissions, the total number of new COVID cases, and the number of COVID-19 hospitalizations. Now, this is a look at the COVID numbers, or at COVID-19 by the numbers. The Department of Health reporting today nearly 3,300 new cases. 325 are in hospitals with 45 patients in intensive care units. 20 are on ventilators. It's a stark increase compared to last month when less than 100 people were in the hospital being treated for COVID-19. Now, students at Bedford Elementary School were told to stay home today after more than half of the school's teachers had symptoms of COVID-19, with some testing positive for the virus. WFXR's Damon Reynolds spoke with health officials and concerned parents about what this means moving forward.
Yeah, Kathleen, the COVID spike at Bedford Elementary School could be a sign of things to come for our region. And according to the Virginia Department of Health, we should expect another surge. Now, how serious this surge will be is up to us.
Experts have lifted mask mandates and have let people make their own decisions on how to deal with COVID-19. One Bedford Elementary School parent has major concern.
My concern is where was COVID at? My son he has type 1 diabetes, and he's also immunocompromised.
William, along with many parents at Bedford, received an email Thursday afternoon saying the school would be shut down because of the virus.
We're having to take precautions. We got him swabbed and everything else just to make sure.
But he is afraid COVID isn't going away. So he is wondering what the school would do to protect his son.
What are we going to do in the future about it, and how are they going to clean the school? It's Friday. You're going to have a crew come in on a weekend and clean it.
The first step might be to acknowledge that there is a surge upon us. According to the COVID data tracker, Bedford levels for the virus show they are yellow on this map. This means this county is at medium risk for transmissions. The Virginia Department of Health says the recent surges could be because of spring gatherings.
We are expecting that surges will come and go. And the good news is we know what will keep us safe.
Christy Wills says people should still look to get vaccinated if they haven't, stay home if they are sick, and social distance. William questions how this distancing can be done in school classrooms.
These classroom sizes are continuing to grow. So what does that distancing look like? I don't have the answers to that.
And I just got an update from Bedford County Public Schools saying that the elementary school will actually go to virtual on Monday due to more staff testing positive for COVID. Kathleen, back to you.